Features with you need maybe an ecozy portable ice maker countertop. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including 6 minutes fast ice making. Equipped with a powerful compressor, this countertop ice maker takes only 6 to 13 minutes to get 9 delicious bullet-shaped ice cubes per cycle. It can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. With this low noise, less than 42 decibels, ice maker, you could get the fresh ice whenever you want. Contains ice bags and ice scoop. The ice maker countertop comes with 3 ice bags, a standing ice scoop, and a detachable ice basket. The ice cubes in the ice basket will melt if not used for a long time, so the ice bags can be used to transfer the ice cubes to the refrigerator for the next use. The unique stand-up design of the ice scoop is hygienic and easy to storage. Intelligent and easy to use, the ice maker adopts advanced infrared sensor technology. When the ice basket is full, the ice maker stops making ice. When the water level of the water tank is low, the indicator will remind you to replenish water in time. 2 ice cube sizes are available, totally depends on your preference. The lower the water temperature, the bigger the ice cubes will be. Convenient self-cleaning function. The self-cleaning function can deeply clean every corner of the ice maker through the water circulation. We recommend that when the machine is not used for a long time, to avoid mold, be sure to wash it first and then ensure that the inside of the machine is dry before storing it. Safe and durable material. The surface of the ecozy portable ice maker is constructed with a sturdy stainless steel casing, which is corrosion resistant, stylish, durable, and can replace your built-in fridge ice maker for longer use. The appearance is smooth and easy to clean, and it can also be used with various countertops. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.